Good day. 1 Kings 19 from verse 4. But he himself went a day's journey into the wilderness and came and sat down under a juniper tree, and he requested for himself that he might die. That's now Elijah, and said, It is enough now, O Lord, take away my life, for I am not better than my fathers. As he lay and slept under the juniper tree, behold, the angel of the Lord touched him and said unto him, Arise and eat. And he looked, and behold, there was a cake baken on the coals, and a cruse of water at his head. And he did eat and drink, and laid him down again. And the angel of the Lord came again the second time, and touched him, and said, Arise and eat, because the journey is too great for you. So if you are feeling weak today, or you feel like you're going to give up, or you're not going to do this anymore, or you feel like, no, Lord, come and take me away, I don't want to be here today, this is the word of the Lord for you today. He said, arise and eat, because the journey is too great. God wants you to prosper because He loves you. The work that is started in you, He is well able to finish. Be blessed.